Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you Dropship.io review for dropshipping. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and type dropship.io. Here you can sign in or create an account or start this free trial. But anyways, Dropship.io is a platform designed to streamline and improve the dropshipping business model by offering detailed product research, analytics, and automation features for dropshippers. And here's a review based on its key features and overall usability. So let's start with the key features of Dropship.io. First, we have here is the product research tool. Dropship.io offers advanced tools for finding profitable products, and it helps users search for trending products by offering detailed data such as product demand, competition levels, and profit margins. So, this feature is essential for identifying the right items to list in your store. Number two, the review for competitor analysis. So, one of the standout features is its ability to analyze competitor stores. Dropship.io allows you to track other stores, monitor their product listings, and understand their pricing strategies. This can give you an edge in optimizing your own offerings and pricing. Number three, review for sales tracking. So users can track the performance of their products in real time. This includes data like sales history, revenue trends, and customer reviews, which is crucial for making informed decisions on inventory and marketing. Number four, let's review for the ease of use. The platform is indeed user friendly with an intuitive interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced dropshippers. The dashboard is designed to present information in a clear, easy to navigate manner. Automation, let's talk about automation. So, Dropship.io offers some automation features like order tracking and integration with major e commerce platforms such as Shopify. Pricing. While Dropship.io provides robust tools, it comes with a subscription fee. And as you can see here, there are different pricing plans catering to both beginners and advanced users. The value it offers with its tools justify the cost, of course, especially for users looking to scale their businesses. Now let's go on to the pros and cons. So pros, comprehensive product and competitor analysis, real-time data tracking and sales monitoring. For cons, subscription fees can be high for beginners on a tight budget, and its limited integration options compared to some competitors. So the verdict overall, Dropship.io is a powerful tool for anyone looking to succeed in the dropshipping space. It offers valuable insight into product performance and competition, making it easier to find winning products and optimize your dropshipping store. So I hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.